Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be making our own texture pack in Minecraft. As you can see, my netherite sword is actually a custom katana that I made just quickly in probably about 2 minutes or so. It's really cool and you can add your own things, do whatever, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first thing you want to do is, what I recommend is downloading a texture pack already. I downloaded 32 pixel Faithful, which is simply a resource pack, Faithful here, and all I did was just open the files and change some of the textures. Okay, so once the file is on your desktop, you just want to open it and you want to highlight all these three and drag these onto your desktop. This will just have this loading thing, which will make it so you can view everything. This might take a minute or so, but yeah, we'll just wait. Okay, now once the files have gone onto your desktop, you can now access them. So we're just gonna drag that over there. We don't actually need it anymore. But yeah, these three, you want to go into assets, Minecraft, textures, and you'll have all your different textures in here. So obviously the GUI is gonna be all your different icons and items. So this is where you're gonna find everything you can hold. As you can see, we have every item in the game just for items, like wooden sword or whatever. Obviously it's very small because it's not that big of a file. Most files you will find is probably like 1,000 pixels. This is only 32 because we're using Faithful. So yeah, in order to like change the textures of them, you know, that's why you're here. Find an item you want to change the texture of, and you just want to simply open it. Now right here I have a diamond sword. You can do this in Photoshop, Paint, whatever. I'm pretty sure it works with all of them. I'm going to be using Photoshop. So you want to simply right click and then do where's open with, here we go. And you want to choose the file you want to do. You can have Paint, Paint 3D, Photoshop. Depends if you have Photoshop. I do, so that's why I'm going to be using it. Okay, the file is now open, and I'm just going to zoom in so I can see it way better. Here we go. So this is the whole thing. We now have full access to edit. As you can see, the background is clear, which might be a problem for you guys, since on Paint, I know if you like erase, because the background is white and you can't see this like tile texture, it's really hard to understand which is actual white color or that is a transparent background. That's why I use Photoshop, since it is way easier. But yeah, this is basically how you edit it. I'm going to grab the pencil. Do not use the brush, use the pencil. If you use the brush, it does this, which is really hard to take care of, because even if you do 1 pixel, it does this weird blur effect. So once you do pencil, it immediately turns the like a grid to the color you want. So I'm gonna grab something like a nice dark red. I don't know, we're gonna have some like blood coming off the sword or whatever. So that's pretty much it, guys. I don't know, you can just do stuff like this. I don't know, maybe something really creative like sub. That'll be really cool. And once you're done, you just want to save the image and then just close it. So now as you close it, you might realize, oh, it's not actually shown onto the photos, but you just close that, and because it hasn't loaded in, but it will load in the file explorer. You can open it again, and there's our texture. And so guys, once you've done that, you want to get back over to your folder, open it, and you want to delete the assets folder. So you just want to delete the whole thing, because you're going to be replacing it with the one you have edited. So as you can see, the folder is now gone. And then we're going to grab the assets folder that we just edited, and we're just going to put it in the folder we just had open. Now you can close it, and now in this folder will be the new texture. Item, diamond, sword. There it is. That's our texture. And now since it's in our folder, we don't even need these ones anymore. All we need is the folder we just put them in. I'm just going to delete those. So once you have your folder, you just want to... I'm just going to open File Explorer. I'm going to open back up Minecraft. And then I'm just going to tab Minecraft out so it is smaller. Resource packs, and you want to open pack folder. And then in here, you want to grab the folder you just edited and just put it in there. This is where you can put all your folders if you haven't already put a resource pack in and don't know how to. That's literally it. You just drag the folder in. And now this is the folder that will have the custom texture pack. So I'm going to take off my custom one and put in the one we just edited. And now see how my netherite sword is no longer a katana. Alright, so there we go. That's how you make a texture pack, guys. That's how you edit it. And this is me using it in game. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. You know, have some fun, experiment, and it's pretty cool. Do your own stuff, and I hope you did enjoy the video, and have a good day, night, whatever. See ya.